There are multiple ways to pull data from NetSuite using CloudExtend from the welcome screen. By creating filters or using saved searches, it will be quick to download and manage data using CloudExtend. Now that we have the template, we can apply filters. Select Create New Filter, then using Rules, I will create a new rule to pull up vendor bills created on or after August 1st. Let's name the filter, then save. And you can save the template. Click Save and Download button to load the template and it will stream down the records to your worksheet. If you want to pull data using saved searches, you can do that too. After creating the template, click Continue, then Yes. Turn on Apply Filters button, then select Using Save Search. Choose the saved search you want to use and select the filter you want to load. Toggle the Save As Template button to save the template and click Save and Download button to load the template to your worksheet. You can create multiple filters and choose between the filter on the list if you want to reuse them. If you already have an existing template and you want to download the data from NetSuite to the CloudExtend template, do the following. Start with Template button, it should be on, and click Search and Download with Template. From here, select the template you want to use from the selection screen and click the Play button. If you want to use filters, click Continue, then hit Yes. It will clear out any data that you have on your current worksheet. Turn on the Apply Filters, then you can reuse the filters previously created or click the plus sign to create a brand new filter. After that, click Save and Download, and it will pull the data from NetSuite to your template using the filter you've created. If you want to pull records using Save Search, you can turn on Apply Filters and reuse the Save Search you previously used, or click the plus sign to assign a new Save Search criteria to the list. Click Save and Download to stream down the data from NetSuite to your template using the filter. If you have a template and a set of internal IDs you want to update, you can download those records from NetSuite to your Excel. Just take the internal ID, put it on the internal ID field on your template, and click on Reload Records. Hit Reload Records and it will pull all the records that you have on the internal ID field. If you want only selected fields from the internal ID, highlight only on those cells that you want to reload and then toggle the Records Unselected row before hitting the Reload Records.